Hi my peeps, good morning world. Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright, and my channel is a variety of things. Alright, just check me out. Okay guys, I'm gonna make the best oatmeal you will ever taste or try. I have 4 cups of water. Now this girl gonna flavor up this oatmeal. It's not gonna be a regular oatmeal porridge you just drink and it just bland. This gonna be tasty, creamy and delicious. 1/4 teaspoon salt. I have some cinnamon. I'm gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon, just a smidge. Some nutmeg, same, just a smidge, about 1/4 teaspoon or so. Nutmeg give it the flavor. I have some coconut milk and I'm gonna put about say 1/3, or you can put 1/4 cup, it's up to you. I'm gonna put about 1/2 teaspoon almond extract. It's gonna give it so much of a flavor, guys. Try it. And I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon vanilla. A little bit more. That's good. I have some almond milk, and this one is the unsweetened. And I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup. I'm gonna let everything come to a boil, and then we're gonna add the oats. I have 1.5 cups of oats, and I'm gonna pour it in. And you want to start to stir it. And at this point you're gonna just turn your stove down and let this simmer or cook. You want to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes and it's all done. Turn your stove down, because if you don't turn the stove down, guys, you're gonna boil over. You don't want that. All right, then all the flavor will boil out. All right guys, I'm just gonna let this boil until everything becomes thick, then I'll come back. And look at it, guys, this is how you want it. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it runny. All right, this is oatmeal. Okay, so this is it, guys. Now I have some condensed milk, and I'm gonna put about, say, 2 tablespoons. I'm not gonna add any sugar, guys, but if you want, you can add a little bit of sugar. I'm not gonna make it too sweet, but if you want it really sweet, you can add more milk or you can add some sugar. Okay, and I'm gonna turn my stove off. And you want to sweeten it, guys, Jamaican style. Yeah, we Jamaican love porridge. Any kind of porridge. Porridge is healthy, build your body, build your immune system. All right guys, this one here, guys, is a part of my weight loss journey recipe. I drink this almost every morning, or at least every other morning. All right guys, yeah, a cup of oatmeal packed with lots of fiber. It's gonna clean you out, help you to go to the bathroom, give you lots of fiber. All right guys, help with your cholesterol too. Okay, and once your cholesterol good, help to lower blood pressure. This is how your oatmeal is supposed to look. All right, follow my recipe. I will leave the exact measurement of how for you to get the perfect oatmeal. All right guys, so this is it. I'm gonna dish out some. Look at the goodness, Jamaican style. I have a little cute bowl here and I'm gonna serve up some. You can put up the rest for later or for tomorrow in the fridge. Don't throw it away, okay? And you just hot it up back. All right, put a little bit of oatmeal on top. Top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. That's my yummy yummy oatmeal breakfast recipe, brunch recipe. All right guys, really healthy, good for weight loss. All right guys, try it out. The best oatmeal you will ever taste. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. I have some garlic and herbs crackers and I add a few right there, and that's what I'm gonna have with it. You can just break them up in it, or you can have a slice of bread. All right guys, that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna drink it when it's hot now guys. Yeah, bye guys.